Hi, I'm Shelley. Let's fold some fabric. The first thing we're going to do is straighten out the fabric that we bought, and we're going to fold it selvage to selvage. And it already comes folded in half just from the fabric store, but we're going to fold it in half again. The straighter you can get those selvage pieces, the better off you'll be, because the straighter your bolt will fold up. I'm working with a really long piece of fabric, maybe not the brightest idea, but it could be typical of what you're going to fold. So I'm going to fold a long one here and a short one in a little bit. So now that we have our fabric straightened out, we're going to drag it back to the beginning, and we're going to grab, I'm going to use a ruler, a quilting ruler, which is 6 inches tall from the short side of the ruler. And you can use cardboard or foam board, whatever you have. But I think most people that have a lot of fabric probably have a ruler like this. And then you're just going to start by folding, getting it straight on the fabric, and then folding over a piece, lifting it up, and then as tightly as you can, then fold it over, and then just continue to wrap it around your ruler to make what's called a mini bolt. And you're just going to just keep on wrapping it up. And pretty soon we'll get here to the end. Just keep lining that bottom up with the previous fold as nice as you can. Fold the raw edge under and stick a pin in it. And then you can just really easily pull that ruler out without any effort. And then you have a nicely folded mini bolt of fabric. It makes it really nice too, because you can then, if you need a half a yard, you can just roll a half a yard. Other folding styles, like whenever you get it from the fabric store, whenever you want a half a yard or whatever off of the piece that they cut for you, you have to unfold the whole thing. And this way you can just, without unfolding it, get the amount you need off. So we're going to fold another little piece, just to give you another little example. Again, on the 6-inch side, get it straight on your fabric. Fold it over to give it a start, lift it up, get it tight, and then just wrap it around. Flip it over, fold the raw edge in, and then just stick a pin in it. And that's all there is to it. Thanks a lot for watching.